Hello guys, ito yung update natin for today's afternoon. Kumusta kayo? Ayun, doon guys, maganda na doon guys. Nalinis na doon banda guys. As you can see guys, ayun. So, nalinis na ang mga damo. Dito banda, hindi pa guys. Wala, may nakatira na pala doon bahay. Malapit na pala. So, nagdagdag na pala yung kapitbahay namin dito guys. Maganda na din yun. No, di ba? So, ang weather natin guys, naku, napakainit. Very good weather. So, hello guys, ito yung update natin guys. Today's afternoon. So, ito guys, ayun, ang weather natin is so good. It looks so very good guys. Ayan, and nice. Oh, very blue. Ayun, and then greeny guys. Ayan. So, yun, guys, no? It's very mainit talaga. So, as you can see guys. Yun lang. Bye! Keep safe everyone. Thank you for watching guys. God bless us! Hello guys, dito muna tayo ang update natin. Tayo ay nag-antay ng mga customer pa natin guys. So, medyo maano ang panahon natin ngayon kasi mainit guys. Ganitong oras wala masyadong customer. So, yun. Antay muna tayo para may benta din tayo guys. So, yun guys ang update natin today's afternoon. Ayan. Ayan si Miming. Mapakainit ang panahon natin guys. Very nice weather. Ayun. So, yun. Habang nag-antay tayo dito ng customer, guys. So, yun ang update natin dito, Sinday Joanne. Have a blessed day. Bye! Hello, guys. Good morning sa inyong lahat dyan. I hope you have a nice day and morning, guys. I hope your day is great din, guys, no? So, yun. Nag-coffee pa tayo, guys. Nagkain-kain pa tayo, guys. Harap. Yummy. How's your morning din dyan, guys? I hope na you feel fresh na din. At the same time, may coffee na din kayo, guys, after magligo. So, of course, masarap mag-coffee, no? So, feel fresh. So, it's nice to feel, guys, that your morning that you have a coffee, you feel complete. Your day is complete when your morning you had a coffee din too. So guys, yun lang ang update natin. I hope na maganda din ang morning nyo dyan. You have a nice, great morning ahead. You have a great day morning. Ang init. Ang sarap ng coffee natin guys. So, have a blessed day to all and everyone. Thank you for watching guys. Maraming salamat sa mga lahat ng follow dito sa akin. So, thank you so much. God bless us. Keep safe guys and see you next again. Bye. Bye guys.